English Phonetics Unit 2. Task: Pronunciation Workshop. Student Juliet Marcela Borges. "15 sentences written in IPA. First sentence: we all want what never had. Second sentence: don't let me go. Third sentence: I need a savior to heal my pain. Fourth sentence: call my name and save me from the dark. Fifth sentence: I can't wake up. Sixth sentence: who I am and who I want to be cannot connect. Seventh sentence: I don't like to talk. Eighth sentence: I don't even try to go out with my friends. Ninth sentence: I cut my hair. 10th sentence: time is a valuable thing. 11th sentence: I had to fall to lose it all. 12th sentence: I tried so hard and I didn't get it. Thirteenth sentence: I am tired of my grief. 14th sentence: I must stay conscious through the madness and chaos. 15th sentence: I don't trust the thoughts that come inside my head. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.